Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Silicon D and doing my first unboxing. Today we're gonna unbox a hyperdimension neptunia NK2. So I already opened the box for you guys to save some time. And here we have, get this thing out of the way. Wait. Let me pick out this tape. There we go. So in here you can see the cover of the main characters, or it looks like in the top are the guy or the girls from the first game of the hyperdimension neptunia, and in the bottom looks there are the sister. Here's a closer look. Side. The back. And the transformation. The CPU. The box is actually kinda heavy. It's a little. Alright, let's open it. Let's open this thing. Sorry for that. Okay. About this game is it's an RPG game. It's actually making fun of the console wars, and the characters that you use represent each console. It goes from Sega, Sony, Nintendo, and Microsoft. Alright, so here I have it open. Check out this thing. Okay, so here is the hardcover book. It's actually nice. Small, but nice. Some words on there, they're Japanese. And some men, so you guys can see it. Okay, so here we have a Purple Heart sister, Nepgear, and Uni, Black Star sister. Yeah. Alright, let's put this thing to the side. Check out this thing. So here we have the soundtrack CD. Has the 4 CPUs. The bag has Purple Heart. Right. Look at this thing. Oh, here it sets of cards. They don't come in a case. Kinda a shame. Oh well. Put this thing aside. So here we had the game. Something for PS3. Let me see, it's for 1 player. 1200 gigabytes requires to play at 180p. DualShock. And let's see this. This game I don't really recommend to buy it if you're not into RPG games, especially on this one, because there was a lot of complaints on the RPG style for the the first one, but supposedly this one is much better. Alright, yeah, I'm opening. Go. Go. Full clip. It's actually the same. I want the same thing like that. Probably. Yeah, hardcore. Kind of shameful. Oh well. It actually has nice colors, yes. So it'll be in the front. They just used to get attention for people. Alright. So I'm gonna set this card so you guys can see the different picture of the cards. Alright, so I set up the cards and here they are. I thought there was gonna be more pictures on it, but apparently there's only a few. Right here we have Sega, sister, Nintendo, I don't know about that one, sister, and sister Nintendo. Those two are twins. Sony, older sister, and this is Nintendo again. Microsoft, and a girl in the book. And the rest of the cards, they're like regular plain poker cards, and yeah, that's it. So there you guys are in the first unboxing video. Please like and comment the video. That will help a lot. That will make my channel grow, and that will mean a lot to me.